Hello, my name is Toyoshima. I'm a retreat guide based in Chiba, Japan. I guide guests on soulful journeys to reconnect with nature and with the gentle rhythm of their own hearts. In sacred forests by serene lakes and peaceful mountain villages, you can slow down and simply be. Experience forest bathing, gentle yoga, and mindfulness in the surroundings of Japan's deep natural harmony. I offer guided visits to shrines, temples, and traditional places that embody Japan's timeless spirit. Come enjoy the beauty and the harmony of Japan. I look forward to welcoming you with all my heart.